Now this illustration deals with octagon boxes. We select these octagon boxes from Table 3, 14.16a is an apple, and 314.25. Now, before we get into this too far, notice that it is a paddle fan, ceiling fan. At the very top of the illustration, it says for support of these ceiling fans or paddle fans, before you do anything, review 422.18, 1 and 2. And the box has to be identified in accordance with 422.18 as well as 314.27C. Number 14 wire, 14.2 with ground is coming into the box. We have the box supported in accordance with 314.23D as in dog and 314.27. Now the NEC loop says, hey, let's get a good hold on this now. See 422.18 and review it. Review 314.23D as in dog and 314.27C. Now, we'd only want to make that review if we didn't know what type of box we were using. If you knew your box complied with these sections along with 110.3B and C of the code, then proceed. Notice the ceiling fan is 35 pounds or less. Now, but we need that box. And many times, if you had, say, a 2-story house, you could take the ceiling box, cut a little hole, and it's designed so you could push it up in there and hammer it in, and both sides hammered into the studs, the framing members, and then the box can support your fixture without you having to do a lot of additional work because it's a 2-story and you're on the bottom floor. Now notice we have a canopy and we have our 632 screws there and 314.25 or 832 screws. And they're a little large there, but we're highlighting them. Now, these sections, if reviewed, will help electricians have a better knowledge of what type of box has to be used to support hanging chandeliers and as well support paddle fans. And that's what this figure 12-8B is illustrating, octagon boxes that are listed and labeled to support paddle fans or ceiling fans in accordance with Table 314.16a and 314.25, as well as the other sections highlighted in the illustration.